Liquid Ring Vacuum Pump (LRVP) packages are one of the industrial solutions offered by Croll Reynolds. All of our LRVP packages can be offered with a custom-designed atmospheric air ejector to significantly boost final vacuum levels achieved by the system. Atmospheric air ejectors contain no moving parts, consume no additional utilities, and represent a low-maintenance, cost-effective alternative to dry vacuum pump and Roots-type blowers. Our LRVP packages are engineered with different seal water arrangements dictated by the nature of the process and environmental considerations. Once through, partial recirculation and full recirculation liquid sealant are the most common arrangements used for engineering our LRVP packages. The once through or no recovery sealant system has the lowest capital cost. It is used when sealing fluid is continuously available and the process gases mixed with sealant present no environmental concerns. In this case, the sealant directly exits the separator tank. The partial recirculation or partial sealant recovery system has a relatively low capital cost. It is used when the sealant flow needs to be reduced and diluted using fresh sealant liquid to control temperature, contamination, or pH levels. In this case, some of the sealant liquid exits the separator tank. The full recirculation or full sealant recovery system has the highest capital cost. It is used when the sealant flow is not continuously available and when the sealant mixed with the process gases is hazardous or toxic. In this arrangement, sealing liquid doesn't exit the system. For the full recirculation LRVP packages, we offer provisions to prevent overflow. We can offer either shell and tube or plate heat exchangers to cool the sealant and prevent cavitation. At Croll Reynolds, we deliver the most elegant engineering solutions and can design LRVP systems compatible with any commercially available pump, whether sourced in the U.S. or internationally. For more information on our vacuum systems and to discuss your specific vacuum process needs, visit our website, croll.com, or submit your inquiry to the link below.